Welcome to Health and Wellness Hub, where your family's journey to a healthier, stronger life begins. Whether you're a newly married couple or an expectant parent, one of the most thoughtful investments you can make is in your baby's comfort and safety. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most essential items for your little one, the baby cradle wheel. First up is this sleek, modern wooden cradle with smooth rolling wheels. Not only does it offer sturdy support, but it also makes it incredibly easy to move your baby from room to room without waking them. A perfect choice for parents who value both mobility and design. Next, we have this 3-in-1 convertible cradle bassinet, a lifesaver for moms who need a bedside sleeper, a rocking cradle, and a portable crib in one. With locking wheels and breathable mesh sides, it's built for both safety and convenience. Are you planning to travel or visit family often? Then this lightweight, foldable cradle with wheels is a must-have. It packs up easily, sets up in seconds, and ensures your baby always has a familiar place to rest wherever you go. Want a touch of tech? This premium electric cradle features automatic rocking, music, and a remote control, making bedtime smoother for both baby and mom. Plus, the lockable wheels mean it stays firmly in place when needed. And for those who love a timeless touch, here's a classic metal cradle with a gentle glide and elegant canopy. Its wheeled base makes it easy to reposition, and the vintage feel adds charm to any nursery. Looking for something eco-conscious? This bamboo cradle not only supports sustainability, but also offers natural ventilation and a strong frame on lockable wheels, combining care for your baby and the planet. Every expecting mom deserves peace of mind and restful nights. And these baby cradle wheels aren't just furniture. They're an investment in your baby's health, safety, and your own well-being. I've added all the products featured in this video in my Amazon store. You'll find the affiliate links below. By clicking and making a purchase through those links, you're not just supporting your baby, you're also supporting me and helping this channel grow. And I want to say a big thank you for that. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel by clicking the Health and Wellness Hub logo below. By subscribing, you'll get weekly tips, product reviews, and practical advice on parenting, family health, and everyday wellness. Don't miss out. Be part of a community that cares about living strong and staying healthy. Health and Wellness Hub is designed to meet the needs of every family, helping you live healthy and stay strong, both young and old. Until next time, stay safe, stay strong, and welcome to the family.